Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever found yourself staring at the dreaded TrackMania Error Code 00000027 on your screen? Rest assured you're not alone in this. The error message reads, "You are currently banned from the game. Yeptree 00000027. Although it may seem alarming, this error doesn't always signify a real ban. In fact, many players have managed to bypass this error simply by restarting their system. Now let's delve into the solutions for this error code. First things first, ensure that your game is up to date with its latest version before diving into any troubleshooting. Our first fix involves refreshing the connection to your system or account. If you're on PC, log out and close your launcher. Then disconnect your device from the internet and wait for a few seconds. Reconnect your device to the internet, start the launcher, and log back in. Finally, verify if the error persists. If it does, shut down your device along with the internet, wait for about 5 minutes and restart your devices. Check again for the error. Our second fix is for those dealing with persistent error messages and a shaky internet connection. If you've been kicked out of the servers in ranked games multiple times due to a poor connection, this might actually be a ban. Leaving multiplayer games, regardless of whether it's intentional or not, is a punishable act as it affects other players. If you suspect that this is the case, we suggest reaching out to Ubisoft support for clarification. To contact Ubisoft support, head over to ubisoft.com/en-us/help/contact, search for your game, select your platform, and then choose the category for the issue. Provide a full description of the issue and choose Open Case. In summary, the TrackMania Error Code 00000027 doesn't always mean a ban. Restarting your system or refreshing your connection could solve the problem. However, if you have a history of leaving multiplayer games due to a poor internet connection, you might be dealing with a ban. In such cases, it's best to contact Ubisoft support for further assistance. Remember, gaming is all about fun and entertainment. Don't let error codes ruin your experience. Enjoy your games responsibly and ensure a good internet connection for a seamless gaming experience. So, go on, fire up TrackMania, and let the races begin. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.